There we go then, Kailee, Benson.
Push down with your bum. Push. Legs. Legs. Voice. Push down legs. Legs. What do you? Okay.
Well, look at that.
You just refused. See the thing is, the bloody wee pony can jump. Well, you've seen it jump at 1.20 m, it's alright, she'll still jump it. I should want to chase my Charlie at McDonald's at 1.20 m. That's it!
Saturday.
Go on! Go on! Push! Push!
We would have looked at that.
12. Jump was bigger than that. Just concentrate on getting round, Kailee. Go on! Any style.
Doesn't matter if the jumps don't go down, you get over it.
But it fell off at the next one coming through. Set up! Good girl, keep on going! Good girl, good in!